can't do this. I need an Anchorman.
Good afternoon, Thunder Bay. Today, we take you live to yet another tragic scene where a small business owner is forced to take on more than he can handle. Excuse me, sir. This is Anchorman News. Can you give us a little insight to what you have gone through today?
I run a boutique bowling emporium here in town, but the shipping companies don't take me seriously. And I'm struggling to make my customers happy, so I'm left shipping all these bowling balls up to Marathon myself.
Come on, man! You can't be trusting all those other shipping companies. You gotta go with Kasper Transportation.
Kasper Transportation? Well, I thought they only carried passengers.
No! Kasper does so much more than carry people. They can carry your packages. You know, if you need to go to Sioux Lookout, Dryden, Kenora, Winnipeg, and even White River. So, you should probably stop packing and start selling. Check that out.